BIP Messenger video call. This application has 4.6 ratings with over 1 million plus downloads, 1 million plus reviews, and 50 million plus downloads. These are the screenshots and interface of this application. Secure, fast, reliable, fun messaging. Secret messages, send messages and photos to disappear once they are read. HD quality, high quality, crystal clear video and voice calls up to 15 people. Status, group import, discover from news and entertainment, discover the world of popular services and much more. Now let's study about this application. One top core of communication features such as instant messaging, HD voice and video calls. BIP presents a secure way to share photos, documents, voice messages, locations, and share your memories into your status. BIP also offers a wide range of services depending on your region and channel, which allows you to reach out to large audience. BIP allows you to share photos, documents, voice messages, location, and share your memories in your status. Secure. Your message and calls are secure with BIP. Message between devices and servers are encrypted in line and with international security standards (TLS). Third parties cannot access or read your messages. BIP does not store your messages and delete them as soon as they are received by the recipient, while allowing you to delete your account without leaving a trace. BIP does not share any unauthorized data or enforces users to share them. High quality. With BIP you can share photos and videos in your actual quality. Photo sharing can be fun through emojis, text, and drawing. BIP offers HD quality video and voice calls up to 15 people around the globe. Fun. The BIP status allows you to post updates of photos and videos to disappear after 24 hours. Standouts among others, BIP is so much more than just a messaging app. Photo and video sharing with a BIP status that disappear after 24 hours. Regardless of how far you are, your loved ones and colleagues are BIP away. Instantly connect via HD voice or video calls with up to 15 people around the globe for free. Thanks to BIP, you can translate 106 languages on the go. Simply write your message into your local language and it will automatically be translated on your friend's phone. Customize BIP based on your preference by adding or removing features by changing icons. Discover a wide range of additional services ranging from health tips from world-renowned doctors, weather forecasts, and region-specific channels such as BIP Ramadan, which provides luminous recipes along with I am stuck and sahur alerts. Now let's study the users reviews. Ben Bradley Tapi says, cool app, it's just that the TV, van, entertainment areas are not functioning properly. By the way, I think your app is slow and maybe outdated. Also, it sometimes has problems when I using it even when the network is at its full function, and you guys are not even doing anything about it. Abraham City says, this is a great app. I really like it. From first time there is no ads interrupted me when opening the app. It's cool when using such a great app like this for free. Send free messages, send videos and video calls too. But one thing I recommend you to help me out with the video call to work better for me. When I just wanna make a video call to my friends, I see nothing appears. I just can't see their faces. I think it's an issue to fix to get ratings up to 5 stars. Thank you very much. Manuel Yatipi says, very excellent app. I recommend everyone to use this as it works perfectly. You will enjoy it. No ads and other unnecessary pop-ups. Before I rate 5 stars, few things need to fix it. Everyone who are using this app, that include myself, we can't make calls to our friends or BIP, whereas WhatsApp it works effectively. I urge the technical team to fix it ASAP. Second is, I sometimes can't update on status as it hides somehow. I can't find it once it hide. That's all. I could rate this app 3.5 out of 5. Zambia Milo says, BIP is really cool and amazing. However, sending videos sucks. It always says there is an error but trying again later. Please fix that part. And also you can't view a contact's last view. It says tap for here for contact information. I don't know, but it's like that lately. Otherwise, it's an excellent app overall. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.